So welcome students. So in this question you're given three curves. First is y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 1. The tangent to this curve at the point 2 comma 3 and x-axis. So you're asked to find the area bounded by these three curves. So first you have y minus 2 whole square is equal to x minus 1. This is a shifted parabola, right? Because y square is equal to 4x is a horizontal parabola with vertex at origin. So instead of y you have y minus 2, instead of x you have x minus 1. That means the vertex is transferred to 1 comma 2. So this will be the vertex and you have a horizontal parabola here. Now the tangent to this parabola at the point 2 comma 3, you have a tangent at this, and the tangent meets x-axis at some point P, assume this, and the x-axis. So you're asked to find the area bounded by this curve, this tangent and x-axis. So the area shaded is being asked. So how do I get this area? So this area can be very easily found out if you look in the direction of y-axis. If you look like this, so the upper curve is the right side curve is this parabola and the left side curve is this line, and you can integrate right side curve minus left side curve, right side curve minus left side curve from 0 to y is equal to 3, right? Y is equal to 3. So between 0 and 3, if you can integrate the right side curve minus left side curve dy, you get the area of the shaded portion. So to get the area, the curve, parabolic curve is already given, but the tangent equation is not given. So first let us find the equation of tangent. So we already know the point. So if you can find the slope of this line, you can find the equation. So to find the slope of this line, let us differentiate this. 2 times y minus 2 dy by dx is equal to 1. So what is dy by dx at 2 comma 3? So dy by dx at the point 2 comma 3 is nothing but 1 by, just need to put y is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is 1, so is 1 by 2. So the slope of this line is 1 by 2. So what is the equation? Y minus 3 is equal to 1 by 2 times x minus 2. So you have 2y minus 6 is equal to x minus 2. So this implies x is equal to 2y minus 4. So I am writing this in terms of x is equal to something because anyway I am planning on doing the integration with respect to y-axis. So I need x is equal to something. Now I'll change the parabola equation also in terms of x is equal to something. So this is x is equal to 1 plus y minus 2 whole square. So I have the parabola equation in terms of x is equal to something, line equation in terms of x is equal to something. So the required area is nothing but integration of 0 to 3. The right side curve is this 1 plus y minus 2 whole square minus the left side curve minus 2y plus 4 dy. So that is equal to y minus 2 whole square, y minus 2 whole cube by 3 minus 2y, that is minus y square integration. 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 5y from 0 to 3. So that is equal to the first number 1 by 3 times, if you put 3 you get 1 cube minus 2 whole cube, that is 1 plus 8 minus of y square, that is 9 minus 0 is 9 plus 5 times 3, 15, that is equal to 9 by 3 is 3. So 18 minus 9 is 9. So the area of the shaded portion is 9 square units. Thank you.